Open Chrome or any browser. Search ES File Explorer APK. Download from any website you like, but AppPure is best. After download, install the app and press the app icon and hold and click app information. Scroll down and allow these three options, especially the second option. Now it's done. Go to the app and check it's working 100%. Now you can see all folders have been showing, and you can copy and paste. And this is the OBB folder. But if this method not working on your phone, check my first method, the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.